The National Stadium of Jamaica is set to undergo a spectacular transformation that could redefine sports in the Caribbean and even bring the World Cup to the island. From its original role as a venue for the Commonwealth Games to ambitious future plans, this stadium will be upgraded to meet global standards for athletics and football. We'll see how it could boost tourism, create jobs, and position Jamaica as a serious contender for major international events. Over 95% of you are not subscribed. Help us to reach 1,000. The stadium is located in the heart of Kingston, Jamaica's vibrant capital. Opened in 1962 as the main arena for the British Empire and Commonwealth Games, it put Jamaica on the global sports map. But the stadium is more than just a building. It is a symbol of Jamaican pride, culture, and sporting excellence. Legends were born here. The stands roared with the cheers of crowds for athletic stars who would go on to become world famous. It has hosted football matches that brought communities together, reggae concerts celebrating Jamaican culture, and parades that stirred patriotic emotions. But time and wear have taken their toll. After more than 60 years, the seats have deteriorated, lighting and sound systems are outdated, and facilities for athletes and fans no longer meet modern standards. Additionally, international safety regulations have become stricter, limiting the types of events the stadium can host. This raises a crucial question. How do you preserve the heritage of the stadium while transforming it into a world-class sports landmark? The answer is an ambitious rehabilitation plan, with an investment of over $50 million, set to begin in August 2025. This is not just an upgrade, it is a complete reinvention designed to elevate Jamaica on the global sports stage. But what will this transformation include? And why is it so important not only for athletes and fans, but for the entire nation and the Caribbean region? To fully understand, we must look at the history and impact of this legendary stadium. Jamaica's National Stadium quickly became the central hub for athletics in the Caribbean, starting with the Commonwealth Games in 1962. Now, after decades of glory and challenges, a new era is beginning, one that promises to transform not just a stadium, but the very image of sports in Jamaica and the region. Over the decades, the National Stadium has hosted legendary moments, including the 1998 World Athletics Championships, bringing some of the world's greatest athletes to Kingston. But the stadium has always been more than just a sports arena. It became a true cultural melting pot. Reggae concerts, national parades, and football matches that united communities and inspired generations. It has been, and continues to be, woven into the very fabric of Jamaican life. However, time has not been kind. By 2024, assessments revealed critical issues: deteriorating seats, outdated lighting and sound systems, non-compliant athlete facilities, and a lack of modern amenities for spectators. Additionally, stricter international regulations limited the stadium's ability to host top-tier events, putting Jamaica at a serious disadvantage on the global stage. So, how do you honor the stadium's history and spirit while making it globally competitive? The answer is an ambitious rehabilitation plan designed to blend respect for the past with a bold vision for the future. This is not just a fresh coat of paint or new seats. It is a complete redesign that could reshape Jamaica's sporting landscape. In 2025, the Jamaican government, together with private investors and construction experts, officially launched the project, a $50 million plus investment, one of the largest in the country's recent history. The renovation, estimated to take 2 years, will be carried out in phases, allowing events to continue even during construction. The stadium's capacity will increase from 35,000 to 40,000 spectators, with improved sightlines and comfort, providing a world-class experience. Athlete facilities will be fully modernized. The track will meet international standards, locker rooms and training areas will support elite performers, and state-of-the-art lighting and sound systems will create an immersive atmosphere, whether during a sprint final or a major concert. Perhaps the most impressive aspect is sustainability. Solar panels will provide a portion of the stadium's energy, rainwater harvesting systems will be installed, LED lighting will improve efficiency, and modern waste management practices will reduce environmental impact and operational costs, making this project a Caribbean pioneer. Another key element is compliance with global standards. The upgraded stadium will meet the strict criteria of the IAAF and FIFA, making it eligible to host Olympic qualifying events and international football tournaments. Jamaica's Ministry of Sports and Culture emphasizes that this rehabilitation is not merely a construction project, but a strategic investment in the nation's future. Sports tourism, one of the fastest growing sectors globally, could bring a wave of visitors, athletes, and journalists, increasing tourism by 15 to 20%. But the benefits go further. Restaurants, shops, transportation services, and local businesses will feel the positive impact, boosting Kingston's economy. The renovation will create jobs in construction and, in the long term, permanent positions in stadium operations and event management. The local community will benefit from youth sports programs, and the stadium will host cultural events, concerts, and festivals, further strengthening national pride. Regarding sustainability, the project is revolutionary for the Caribbean. Solar panels, rainwater harvesting, efficient LED lighting, and modern waste management. Jamaica is positioning itself as a pioneer in eco-friendly sports infrastructure. And now, the key question. What comes after completion? The answer could be historic, the dream of the 2030 FIFA World Cup. With the stadium's modernization, Jamaica could be ready to host matches in the world's most prestigious football tournament, meeting all FIFA standards, from seating capacity and security to media facilities and spectator comfort. Hosting the World Cup would be a monumental achievement, not just for Jamaica, but for the entire Caribbean region. The economic implications are enormous. Billions in tourism, sponsorships, and infrastructure investment. More importantly, it would ignite immense national pride and unity, inspiring a new generation of athletes and fans. Although Jamaica has not yet officially submitted a bid, this rehabilitation is a clear statement of intent. The island is not just dreaming, it is preparing to make history in global sports. But the story doesn't end there. There is an unexpected twist that could reshape the entire sporting landscape of the Caribbean. Imagine a future where Jamaica's bold leap inspires neighboring countries to invest in their own sports infrastructure. A network of modern stadiums and training facilities could span the islands, capable of hosting international competitions together. Instead of competing against each other, Caribbean nations could collaborate, pooling talent, resources, and organizational expertise to compete on the global stage like never before. This vision could transform the Caribbean from a series of small, isolated markets into a dynamic and collaborative sports powerhouse, attracting investment, tourism, and global recognition. The National Stadium's rehabilitation is just the first step. This project is not just about new seats or better facilities. It is a bold investment in Jamaica's future, blending heritage, innovation, and sustainability. As the stadium prepares to host world-class events, it will drive economic growth, create jobs, and inspire the entire region. If you're as excited as we are to see this transformation unfold, like this video, hit the notification bell, leave a comment below with your thoughts, whether you support the project, question it, or have something to add from your own experience. And if you want to keep following the real stories that shape Jamaica, make sure to subscribe, because the future doesn't just happen, it's made by those who stay informed.